Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix battery drain on your iPhone after updating to iOS 26. If your battery suddenly started draining much faster after the update, don't worry. That's completely normal because iOS often enables new background features during major updates. Today, I'll walk you through every setting you should change to maximize your battery life. Before we begin, hit that subscribe button below because I post quick and easy tech tutorials every week. Now open the Settings app on your iPhone. The first setting we're going to change is one of the biggest battery killers. Scroll down and tap General. Now scroll down again and tap Background App Refresh. Tap Background App Refresh one more time at the top. If it's currently set to Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and mobile data, your apps are constantly refreshing in the background even when you're not using them. That means they're downloading new content, checking for updates, and consuming battery all day long. Unless you absolutely need this feature, change it to off. Now tap the back button until you return to the main settings page. Next, scroll down and open Privacy and Security. At the very top, tap Location Services. Location services can significantly impact battery life because your iPhone constantly communicates with GPS satellites, Wi-Fi networks, and nearby cellular towers to determine your location. Go through your installed apps and look for any app showing the small location arrow. For apps that don't actually need your location, tap the app and change the permission to Never. For apps like Facebook, shopping apps, or games, you usually don't need constant location access, so disabling it can save a noticeable amount of battery. Once you've reviewed your apps, scroll all the way to the bottom and tap System Services. Here you'll find dozens of background services that use your location. Keep important options enabled, such as emergency calls and SOS, Find My iPhone, compass calibration, and motion calibration and distance if you use fitness features. For everything else that you don't use, such as location-based Apple ads, location-based suggestions, routing and traffic, iPhone analytics, improved maps, popular near me, and similar services, turn them off. Reducing unnecessary background location requests will noticeably improve your battery life. Now return to the main settings page. Next, scroll down and tap Battery. This screen has been redesigned in iOS 26. Scroll down and tap Power Mode. Enable Adaptive Power. This new feature intelligently learns how you use your iPhone throughout the day. Instead of constantly running your phone at full performance, Adaptive Power automatically reduces unnecessary processing power, lowers brightness when appropriate, and optimizes background activity whenever possible without affecting your normal experience. If this option is disabled, your phone keeps using maximum resources even when they're not needed. Now go back to the main settings screen. Scroll all the way down and tap Apps. Scroll until you find Mail. Open it. Tap Mail Accounts. Now tap Fetch New Data. If Push is enabled, turn it off. Push constantly keeps a connection open with mail servers to instantly receive new emails, which continuously consumes battery. Now check every email account listed below. If any account is set to Fetch, change it to Manual. Finally, scroll to the bottom. Under Fetch, change the setting from Automatically, Hourly, or every 30 minutes to Manual. This means your iPhone will only check for new emails when you actually open the Mail app instead of constantly checking in the background. Now let's identify exactly what's draining your battery. Go back to the main settings page, open Battery again, tap View All Battery Usage. Here, you'll see a complete breakdown of which apps are consuming the most battery throughout the day. You'll also see the difference between screen active time and background activity. If you notice an app Using an unusually high percentage of battery, especially while running in the background, consider restricting its permissions, limiting its background activity, or uninstalling it if you rarely use it. Games, social media apps, and poorly optimized applications are often the biggest battery drainers. Taking a few minutes to review this page can help you identify the exact cause instead of simply guessing. Those are the most effective settings you should change after updating to iOS 26 to significantly improve your battery life. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I'll see you in the next one.